We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother MFC 9340 printer. The problem we're having is we're getting a replace drum warning on the printer. So we're going to show you how to replace that drum and reset the drum counter for the machine so that you don't get that error anymore. It's a pretty simple process. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and replace the drum. So you're going to reach down and open this main compartment to get to the toner and drums. And then for whatever drum or toner you're getting the error for, in this case we're going to do a drum, you're just going to remove the drum and toner. They're going to come out together as one piece. And you'll see a green tab on the side of the drum. You're going to push down that little green tab and you're going to remove the toner away from your drum. And so now we've separated the toner from the drum. So now once you have your new drum, you're going to reinstall your toner into the new drum, making sure it clicks all the way into place. Once you install your toner into the drum, you're going to want to slide this little green tab on the top of the drum all the way across the length of the drum, at least 2 or 3 times. And it's really important to make sure that that little green tab ends in the same place that it started. You'll know where that is. There'll be 2 little arrows pointing at each other. Once you've done all that, we're going to reinstall our toner and drum back inside of the printer, making sure that it sits firmly back in place. And now we've replaced the drum, but now we need to tell the printer that there's a new drum inside the machine. And that's going to get rid of that error message for you. So we'll give the printer just a second to kind of get ready. Okay, so I'm getting an error message. In order to clear the error message, you're going to click on the red X. That's going to get rid of the error message so you can actually get to your main menu. Once you do that, at the top right of the screen you'll see a little wrench and screwdriver. That's your settings button. Hit your settings button. And then once that opens, you're going to click on all settings, which is on the bottom right. And you're going to use the arrow keys on the screen to scroll down until you find the Machine Info tab. Once you find it, go ahead and click on Machine Info. And then at the very last option on the Machine Info page is going to say Parts Life. So we're going to select Parts Life. And there it's going to show you the percentage left on your toners and drums inside the machine. But we want to reset the drum that we just replaced. In order to reset it, you're going to go over to where the numeric pad is on the side of the printer and just touch somewhere over there to get it to light up. Sometimes it takes a couple tries to get it to go. There it goes. And then you're going to find the pound button and you're going to press and hold the pound button. Usually it takes about 3 to 5 seconds, and you'll see a message that comes up on the screen saying replace menu, or reset menu rather. And you're just going to scroll down and find the drum that you replaced, and you're going to select that drum. And once you do that, once you select it, it'll tell the printer that that drum has been replaced. It'll reset that drum counter and it'll let you know the next time you're ready to replace your next drum. Do that for any and all drums that need to be replaced. Other than that, you should be good to go and back up printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.